Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today is day 3 of Shaun Padt's Community Challenge box. So I've got the Lockwood 119 picked, the Master number 1, and today we've got this little Abus 7240. So I'm just going to move the box around a bit, hold on. The top of the keyboard will be that way, yep, so we'll go this way, I think. And actually I might take these two out now to save all the clunking around. So I've got this Abus 7240 with a keyway that I've not seen before. It almost looks like a Lockwood keyway, like a C4 sort of style keyway. So yeah. Anyway, alrighty. So I'll try the 1.2. Fits in there nicely. Try to use the same pick as for the others. Yeah, so I can just get between that warding there. That really feels strange in there. Hold on a second. These are usually 6-pin locks, but I cannot feel 6 pins in there. Hold on, 1, 2. It's only 3 pins in there. Okay, that's interesting. Alrighty, let's give it a go. Nevertheless, alright. So light tension. Start at the front, I guess. One is definitely binding. Okay, into a false set. Can't see keeping. I've just dropped it. There we go. Keeping one just dropped down. That's one. There's another binder there. Feels like the second one. There's one down the back and then one there, and that's it. Interesting. Yeah, so go for this second pin. Okay, just got more of a false set. Give me any more counter? Oh, I can't tell you. Down the back for 4. Okay, that's giving me counter. With sorry, not 4. I think it's 3. I don't know. It's a strange lock. Oh, the tension's about to fall out here. I'm starting to get a counter off that last one and slipped off it. Okay, deeper false set now. Strange little lock here. Okay, just touched 2 and okay, he wants to give me a counter. Okay. Not sure what's going on with this lock. I've never encountered. Okay, just touched 2 and it felt like it went to the belly of the spool. Okay, more counter of 2. Oh, there we go. Got an open. Oh wow, that was really, really strange. There's only 3 pins in there. 1, 2, 3. Is that? There's only 3 pins in it. I really want to gut it and see, but I don't want to make the video too long. But that's a very, very strange 7240. So yeah, I might gut this one in a future video just for yeah, I'm very curious to see what's in there now. Anyway, guys, that's it from me. Tomorrow I'll be tackling the American 1100. And I'll probably do the wafer 1, 2. Anyway, guys, that's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.